like that BMW right there?
Look fun on the bin.
About this BMW, you over here. This is so cool. So I'm at Carvana. Gotta wait outside. It's still cool. This is really interesting. Nice concept though. It's cool. You will sit down. So I need to go ahead and bring the children in here. Is that how peaceful it is in here? Not I. Nope. But this place looks cool, you guys. Like, oh my goodness.
Basically drop the coin in there and watch the magic happen. Yeah. Try this out. Right? Yes.
Hello, snap. Hello, snap. What's going on? Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Yo, this is so awesome. A vending machine. That is madness. That is so cool. Wow. It's a 2020 Honda Elantra GT.
Yes. Now, question: do you have your photo ID? With the license? And then I'm gonna take a picture of the time to move out here.
I feel so excited.
Yes, these are really good cars. And guys are really good cars.
Yeah, because I saw it was on hold for a while, and I was like, you know what? Let me just press notify. I might not get it, but we'll see. Exhausted, but I woke up late. Bruh, this is worth it, yo. I'm excited. Oh, we got white lights. The hard work. Oh, this is so. This is so cool. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Just drive right through it. This thing is. Oh, look at that Mitsubishi. Focus. Focusing. I'm focusing. Okay. I don't know where the test drive is to. I really. Oh my god. This is. Yo. This experience is awesome. Okay, I think I'm gonna just test drive over here. I'm gonna just. Hold on, speed. Dog, yes, baby. I don't know. I'm just gonna like. I ain't gonna speed, but I'm just gonna speed. Okay, maybe I speed down here. I'll speed down. sweet. This is sweet, bro. This is good. I'm in the wrong lane, but it's good because this is the car, bro. I'm not even holding the camera right. I'm so sorry, guys. But y'all heard that noise though, right? That noise was nice. So I'm gonna just rev it. Yeah, I could deal with this. And I got good brakes. Brakes is good. We good. Okay, we're gonna go. Boy. Yo. Y'all don't understand how excited I am. Like, I get to finance this car in my own name, bro. Like, bro. Okay, so I'm gonna reverse. Sick. This is madness right now. The brakes are really good. I love the brakes on this car. I really do. I love the noise of it too. Oh my goodness. And it only got 8,049. I just added 1 mile to it. That's cool. At least it was me. I like this. I'm keeping this. And this one is like really popular on Carvana too. And I was like, you know what? Nope. I want it. I want this. So, I'm gonna just speed one more time in it. And then we'll go. One more time. Let's just see. Set. I am happy and content. Yes, baby. I just love the noise of this thing. Like, bro, this got me feeling some type of way. 2020 vehicle, yes. Work hard for this, bro. Work hard for this. I'm keeping this vehicle. It's not going back in the vending machine. I can guarantee you that. It ain't gonna go back. It's mine. Reverse my ass back in this thing.
And now you got it.
I'm telling you, it's not going back in that vending machine at all. Madness, mad. 2020 Hyundai Elantra GT. Hatchback style. Yes. This baby. Her name is Hardy. Okay. Say hi. Hi. Say bye. Madness. Mine, and it came from here, and it's not going back in there. Mine. Oh, that's not supposed to say. That's right there behind me, you know. Right here. Let's see. You think I'm playing with him? I'm gonna floor. And he just passed by me. Where is he going? Listen, DeLon, you was trying to race with me, and I was trying to see how fast this car could go. No, because I was like, where the went? You decided to go to the second light instead. You didn't even bust a U-turn. You went your own way. So I was like, okay, since I don't see him, and I was calling you, I was like, let me see how fast I can go in this shit since you're not around. So I started to speed. And then when I was speeding, I see somebody behind me, and I was like, that looked like him. And then I was like, you know what? Let me have a little fun with him. Since you're dropping everything. You don't even know, say one time about 140 may do a forward. Oh, 140. Right. Okay. All right, sir. Oh, please. Whatever. You was catching up good, though. You was catching up. I think that's my husband behind me. I think so. I'm going to just floor it, you know, because that's what I do best since I am in Miami.
2 miles, take exit 39 to merge onto I-75 north towards Naples.
Look at them. Look at them going. Yeah, good. Help y'all. He's so funny, bro. He is so funny to me. Really mad funny, bro. I told him this car can push real good. Where's the exit? Exit 39.
Use the right 2 lanes to take exit north towards Naples.
Hilarious. He's hilarious. Bro, he really stay on top of my tail, bro. Like, this is hilarious to me. Oh, and the best thing is this car goes over 100, so I'm feeling real good about this. You know I'm trying to lose them. He's so funny. He's so funny. He's hilarious, bro. This is the only thing I can have like some genuine fun with, you know. Look at them trying to catch you up, guys. Running. 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 He really stay on my tail, yo. He really stay on me. He's so funny. He is so funny right now. He is mad funny. Oh my god. I'm having a thrill, bro. I am having a thrill right now. Alright, well, I guess he can keep up with me. I guess. We made for each other. Funny though. But yeah, this car is legit good. I don't know what the difference is between a GT Sport and a GT, but the GT does the same, the GT Sport does the same thing the GT does. So I'm satisfied. I'm good. Alright y'all, I'm gonna listen to some music now. It's on my bottom, like real close. Closer to my body job. But yeah. Oh, I wish I had recorded his face, how he looked at me when I passed him, yo. Wait. Keep up. Okay. Alright, y'all. You don't. You love passing by me, don't it? Yes. Yeah. Let me see you do some. Do a trick for me. Let me see. Let me see the trick. Yes. Oh, what is it? I look like a cop right there too. Everybody typing slow. Let's see this one. Maybe it's just a teacher. But you know how some of these cops like to stay undercover. Oh, and honestly, and all the time that I was like gassing, flooring it, look where the needle is. Yeah, that's a cop.